so you can see how your pizzas are getting. Now we had like a delivery order. Our opening times is from 11 in the morning till 10 p.m. at night. Hello, hi, welcome to Sicilia Crisp Pizza. As everyone knows, like summer holidays have started, so what we have came up with is like any pizza from our menu. You can choose it for $5.95. The most popular pizzas we have is the harissa chicken. Our old customers, regular customers knows that how popular is that pizza. And today we'll be showing you our unique pizza, what like you can't find it anywhere. It's called hot dog and fries. So basically that pizza contains sliced hot dog, and that gets cooked with the pizza, and then on top of that we put like fries and top it up with cheese sauce or sriracha sauce, whatever you like. So all the type of pizzas we do is obviously the classic margherita. We have like pepperoni, we have tuna pizza. It comes with like onions and olives. Obviously we have a vegetarian option in which we have like all the veggies, especially mushrooms, courgettes and jalapenos. We not only do like pizzas, we obviously have other than that like sides and grilled wings. Most of the kids, they like our plain grilled wings. It's a classic one, and then obviously we have different flavors in that. It's basically grilled wings with barbecue sauce. It's barbecue wings, and we also have like hot saucy wings. Our opening times is from 11 in the morning till 10 p.m. at night. So obviously like it's very good, like most of the people come here, it's very easy to come, and you have like a huge parking space where you can park your car easily, and it's a quite cozy sitting area, so you can enjoy here, like chill out like with your kids or your family. It's good to sit and enjoy the pizzas or the wings or the coffee. Come and enjoy this summer with Sicilia Crisp Pizza. So our location is basically Mile End Road. There's a Queensmary Cafe. Opposite to that there's like a small alleyway going in. So if you just come inside that alleyway, you can see the Sicilia Crisp Pizza board on the left. With that gate, if you enter, you will obviously come and see our van and our place. So like whenever customers order their pizza, obviously it's like an open kitchen style. So you can see how your pizzas are getting cooked. Like you can see how we stretch the dough and how we top your pizzas up with the toppings, and then how it gets sliced up and all the process. So you can see live, like you can enjoy the process of making pizza as well, and you can learn new things, how the pizza is made and how is it done, like all in front of your eyes. Now we had like a delivery order. They ordered through our phone number, so you can see the phone number below, and you can make any order whatever you like. So this is going to be delivered now. So we deliver by ourselves nearby areas like maybe Whitechapel, Stepney Green areas. You can use our own website as well. It's all mentioned in Google as well, and you can see them below as well. And also we do like big orders, like catering orders. Previously, like just 2 days back, we had like an amazing big order we just delivered in Stepney Farm. So that was amazing for us. So whenever you have like a big party or anything, you can straight away call us. We are happily here to help you with the big orders, like your pizza parties or anything, or your gathering or whatever you like. We are here to help you, and thank you for watching Sicilia Crisp Pizza.